Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for watching. Today we're all going down to Baldock. We've got a massive installation on for a company called Ashwell Garage. So we'll show you how we lay tiles into a big area like this and how everything's cut to shape. Lots of fiddly cuts, so testing the boys today. So stay watching, we're going to show you the whole process.
Quite square. We've got ramps to cut around. Also got this compressor we're going to be going on at the back there. And then we're going to do the front just to the side. But we're just getting our ramps all lined up at the front. And then we're going to fill this whole room up and make sure we've got half cut down the side.
Now the full tiles are all laid, trying to cut down the edges.
That's today's job finished for Ashwell Garage. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please hit that notifications button, and we'll see you on another video soon.